Today I just changed my water filter, GE Smart Water Filter. So one thing I like to mention is when you, change the filter, is one thing you can do to prevent from it spraying out when you fill out new water is when you get it new, it'll probably be empty. Now if you change it like this, then it's going to spray at you. So what you can do is you can fill it with some water. I'm over exaggerating here, but fill it with some water. You know when it's full because it'll be topped off like this. It's still going in, but let's say it was topped off. Just let out some water and then you put it in. That way when you insert this filter here, it doesn't start spraying water. It doesn't start spraying water initially after you've replaced the filter. I think that's the case. Just a regular guy making a comment.